Black Homeschoolers of Central Florida, Inc. is a nonprofit organization that has been supporting homeschooling families in the state of Florida since 2009. We would like to invite you to take part in our Community EXPO 2022 event that will take place on Saturday, February 26, 2022, from noon to 5 p.m. at the Sanborn Center. Community EXPO 2022 is a landing point for resources and information based on the needs of our community. It is a place where we can connect community services and businesses with all community members, as well as provide resources and connections for new or returning homeschooling families. At our Community Expo events, we include vendors from every facet of the community. Attendees will enjoy visiting tables of businesses and organizations, youth entrepreneurs, college reps, and more. There will also be free homeschooling and community workshops, children's activities, food, and drinks. Black Homeschoolers of Central Florida, Inc. presents Community Expo 2022. Learn, grow, buy, and network. We'll see you there.